When people report a crime, they're often at their most vulnerable. The police response is swift, professional and reassuring. But once the initial contact ends, the waiting begins. For officers, keeping people updated isn't easy. Calls to members of the public often go unanswered, and the only time to make them may be during a night shift. All of that is about to change. The start of this new reporting journey is exactly the same. A member of the public makes a report through the usual channels, and the police force receives and assesses the report in their system. Now, though, the police record management system sends a notification to the member of public by text and email from Gov Notify. The notification lets them know they can follow the progress of their report through their local single online home website. They then log in through Gov1 login, and a secure account is created for them. Notifications are then automatically sent when a report is under investigation or closed, or when a message is received from the officer in case. Messages can also be sent to the officer in case, straight to the record management system. For the public, it brings reassurance, transparency and closure, helping them to move on with their lives. For officers and staff, it saves time and gives a more convenient means of communication that can be overseen by supervisors. And for forces, it creates the foundations for better data and two-way digital relationships with communities. Of course, change brings new challenges.
So there are always challenges with bringing on board new technologies and implementing change in a police service. We need to obviously get our staff on board with that. We have to ensure that the communications with the teams that will be utilising the portal are clear and consistent, and they understand that the new offer that will bring to the public.
One of the main challenges to start with was technology, because we had to try and get our RMS to talk to the portal, so that involved lots of work with suppliers, trying to put fixes in for bugs that were raised. Internally, the challenges are probably around the mindset of officers, because this is a new way of working. They're not used to having victims message them direct and them having the ability to message back to the victim, so that will likely take some time for the officers to sort of embed that into their daily working habits.
It will allow members of the public a direct way of contacting their OICs, so that they can ask these questions themselves rather than having to sit and ring 101, wait in a queue, then be put forward through to our department, wait in another queue, just to be told, yep, I'll ask the question to the officer and send an email.
This is just the start. We're exploring how we might integrate even more with force websites, deliver more detailed report updates including pre-crime and post-charge, add new services like neighbourhood updates, along with iterating what we've already developed to give a continually improving force and user experience.